In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to charge iPhone 15 with a power bank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use any power bank to charge your iPhone 15. Even though I'm gonna be using the iPhone 15 as a prime example for this video, the process is going to be exactly the same with any other iPhone model that you have. And for this video, I chose an Anker power bank. Usually, I believe that they make high-quality power banks that are compatible with any iPhone models, but you can look into other brands, you can find the cheapest one, the most expensive one, according to your preferences. Any power bank will work. The important thing is that you must connect the iPhone to the power bank using a cable. So one end of a cable is going to go into your iPhone or any other device, so in these examples here, an iPad and an iPhone, and you need to use the proper connection. So if your iPhone has a lightning port, use a lightning cable, and if your iPhone has a USB port, then you use a USB cable. The other end will go into the power bank. If possible, try to use one of these USB-C ports. They should be faster, so usually they will label them with different technologies, but for the most part, overall, USB-C is always going to be the prime option to charge them fast. If you only have USB-A on the labeled spots here, so for example, this one only has IQ, that's fine as well. Just make sure that you do this connection properly. If you see input, this is where you will be plugging a cable to charge the power bank itself. So make sure that you aren't using the input port. But as long as you charge it using any of these outputs, then you will be good to go. You establish a physical connection using any of the output ports, and the power will go from the power bank into the iPhone. And you can recharge it by using the input ports. So whenever you see these LEDs dim out indicating that the power bank is out of battery, then you just plug it into any power source, any power outlet, using the input ports to charge the actual power bank. And then the power will be available for you to charge your iPhone whenever you want to. I hope I was able to help you on how to charge iPhone 15 with power bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.